If you are currently dealing with a damaged skin barrier, then trust me when I say I understand your struggles because I've been there myself and I was able to manage it by taking the right steps to repair and heal my damaged skin barrier. And that's what I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video. And of course, my name is IG, and if you're new here, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a like and keep watching. This video is highly requested and it's been a long time coming. It took me so long to film this video because this topic is quite sensitive to me, and that's because damaging my skin barrier was actually what got me into skincare, and it was one of the most difficult things I had to go through, that I had to deal with. It's painful, takes a lot of time, patience and consistency. A skin barrier is basically the outermost layer of your skin. This is the healthiest part of your skin because it holds up essential moisture and protects your skin from environmental aggressors. When you damage your skin barrier, it leaves your skin vulnerable to infections and environmental pollutions as well. So you get more reaction and breakout even further. So here are some things that could leave your skin barrier damaged. They are overly cleansing your face, overly exfoliating your face, which was in my case, and also changing your diet, your routine, your hygiene. When your skin barrier becomes compromised, you start to feel dryness, itchiness, irritation, inflammation, redness, rough skin texture, and skin dullness. So these are signs or symptoms of a damaged skin barrier. So just to get this out of the way so you understand and you are informed to confirm if you are suffering or dealing with a damaged skin barrier or just another form of skin irritation. So the first thing I did to repair my damaged skin barrier was to consult a licensed professional. I damaged my skin barrier in December of 2021. Back then, there really wasn't so much information about repairing a damaged skin barrier, and I didn't understand what was happening to my skin. At first I thought it was fungal acne, so I used fungal creams thinking it would resolve the entire situation, but it made everything so worse. So I decided to calm down and make the right decision to consult a licensed professional so I can understand what was happening to my skin and get the right information and treatment as well. So when I did that, I was informed that I was suffering from a damaged skin barrier and I had over exfoliated my skin. So I was advised to clear all my skincare products, my skincare routine, clear everything, because I was using really cheap skincare products and poorly formulated skincare products, including skincare ingredients that weren't suitable for my own skin type. So I was advised by a licensed clinical esthetician to clear my entire skincare cabinet, throw them away, and purchase new skincare products. So that was exactly what I did. But at first, she prescribed some antibiotics to me. She prescribed an antibiotic to me. She actually prescribed clindamycin antibiotics. It comes in a tablet. It's a 10 in one card. So I had to take it for 5 days, one in the morning, one at night, and that helped to fight fungal acne from within. That's what clindamycin does. It helps to fight fungal acne and other skin infections as well. And the clindamycin antibiotics that was prescribed also contains stearic acid. Now, stearic acid is a form of fatty acid that is very beneficial to your skin's health. It helps to plump up your skin and just protect your skin. You know what fats and oil do to your body or do to your organs, which of course the skin is the largest organ. So stearic acid can help to nourish your skin and make sure that your skin, which is an organ, is protected. That was like a 2-in-1 treatment, which really helped to calm the inflammation and calm the itchiness and the redness as well. But in your case, you have so much information, so much material on the internet. Example is this video, so you necessarily don't need to consult a licensed professional, especially if you don't have the funds to do so, because they are pretty much expensive. I'm not gonna lie. So if you don't have the funds to do so, you can find information on the internet like this video. The second thing I did to repair my damaged skin barrier was, of course, I did as I was instructed. I discarded low quality skincare products, low poorly formulated skincare products. I had to throw them away because they were doing me more harm than good, and they weren't even suitable for my skin type, and they were just trash. Okay, so I just had to throw them away. And thirdly, I stopped using any form of skin actives, AHAs, BHAs, whatever form of active. I was instructed to stop using skincare actives, retinol, tretinoin, any form of skin cell renewal ingredient. You need to keep it on hold, put it on hold. This is very, very important. If you are struggling with a damaged skin barrier, you need to stop using skincare actives because you need your skin to heal. The only active that is suitable for a damaged skin barrier is niacinamide. Niacinamide is such a good anti-inflammatory skincare ingredient. It will help to soothe your inflammation. And since inflammation, irritation, and redness is one of the symptoms of a damaged skin barrier, niacinamide will do you so much good, and it will also help to heal and strengthen your skin barrier as well. The first thing I did to heal and repair my damaged skin barrier was to incorporate mild, gentle, hydrating and moisturizing products into my skincare routine, including sunscreen. Now, from my cleanser down to my moisturizer and sunscreen, they were all mild, gentle, with no fragrance, with no harsh chemicals, with no soap. Using harsh products with chemicals or scented products with fragrances can make your situation worse because it's vulnerable. So those things have actives, those things have chemicals that can cause more reaction, and you don't want that. So all you need is one, a gentle and mild face wash or face cleanser with no harsh chemicals, no fragrance, preferably a hydrating cleanser. You don't need anything that lathers up so much or something that foams up so much. You don't need that at this point because right now your skin is dry and irritated and it needs all the moisture and all the hydration it can get. And you know, cleansing your face rips your face of moisture, so you want to do that less. You want to cleanse your face less. Okay, so a hydrating, gentle, mild face wash will do it for you in this time. And secondly, you need a gentle and mild soothing toner, because since your skin is irritated and inflamed, that means that your skin's microbiome is as well compromised and your skin's pH is thrown off. So toners in this case will help to restore your skin's pH while leaving your skin hydrated. Secondly, you need a serum, a hydrating serum, and specifically you need a hyaluronic acid serum. The only serum you need in this time is a hyaluronic acid serum. Now, another alternative to this would be the CosRx Snail Mucin Power Essence that can also serve as a hyaluronic acid serum, or the Mixon Bean Essence that can also serve as your serum. This will help to balance your skin's microbiome as well, feed your skin with good bacteria that can help to restore your skin's pH and your skin's microbiome. This is going to leave your skin hydrated, moisturized, and feed your skin's barrier to help repair it. Next, you need a gentle moisturizer. A moisturizer is very, very important because at this point your skin is super dry, super irritated. A moisturizer will help to bring moisture to your skin and help to soothe and calm your skin, leaving it moisturized. Usually in my videos, I would say if you're oily skin, go for moisturizers with a lightweight consistency, and if you're dry skin, go for moisturizers with a heavier or thicker consistency. But in the case of a damaged skin barrier, moisturizers with lightweight consistency will not help you out even if you're oily skin, because you're constantly going to experience dryness. So you need thicker moisturizers. Okay, I'll leave some recommendations of course on the screen or in the description box. So go for moisturizers with a heavier, thicker consistency, not so thick, because again you have large pores naturally, so you don't want to clog your pores, but go for moisturizers that will leave your skin moisturized for hours without leaving you dry. Another product that can help leave your skin moisturized is Vaseline and Aquaphor. Okay, a lot of people sleep on this. Even if you have oily skin, this is a time to use Vaseline. If you have dry skin, you can lather Vaseline up on your skin, but if you have oily skin, you can go in with a pea-sized amount, share that out in your palm, and just distribute that on your face. Now, Vaseline is so good because it helps to seal and lock in hydration and moisture. When your skin is exposed to the atmosphere, there's a tendency of transepidermal water loss. This is where the atmosphere absorbs hydration or water from your skin. So using products like Vaseline or oil-based products can help to seal in hydration and moisture and prevent transepidermal water loss. So in this case, when you're experiencing a lot of dryness, Vaseline is something that will really help you out. Like you really need to, don't play with this one. Okay, get you some good Blue Seal Vaseline with no fragrance. The original Blue Seal Vaseline is what you need at this time. Okay, you can use that at night time alone, especially at night time. You can use your sunscreen in the morning because that contains oil, some amount of oil that can help seal and lock in moisture and hydration, but use Vaseline at night time. These are all the products you need when it comes to building a short and simple skincare routine that can help you restore your damaged skin barrier. You don't need too much. You can add in an eye cream and maybe a face mask, a hydrating sheet mask will also do you well, because right now you need a lot of moisture, a lot of hydration. You need as much as you can get to help heal and repair your damaged skin barrier. So the fifth thing I did to repair my damaged skin barrier was to maintain a good hygiene. You really want to be cautious of your environment, of your belongings. Make sure before you start your skincare routine or before you touch your face that your hands are properly cleansed and washed. Make sure you wash your hands frequently. Don't touch your face anyhow, okay? Because you can end up infecting your face and causing more problems. Pay attention to your beddings, your bed sheets, your pillowcases. Make sure you don't use them for more than a week. Make sure you change them weekly, because a week is enough to consider them as clean. And your towels as well, you can change your towels once in a week or twice in a week, your body towels, and make sure you don't use your body towel on your face, because towels are well known to harbor bacteria, and you want to try as much as possible to keep any form of bad bacteria from coming in contact with your damaged skin barrier. I don't use towels on my face. I use paper towels, and most of the time I just let my skin air dry for best result. Okay, or just to be safe, I let my skin air dry. But you can use towels, but make sure that you're using a new towel every 2 days. And also be careful of how you use makeup. I would really advise you to stay away from makeup. If you ask me my own opinion, I'll say stay away from makeup at this time, or wear makeup if you really have to. Maybe if you have somewhere important to go to, you can wear makeup, but at least make sure your makeup brushes are clean at all times, because they tend to harbor bacteria as well, and using dirty makeup brushes can transfer bad bacteria to your damaged skin barrier, making your situation even worse. So the sixth and final thing I did to heal and repair my damaged skin barrier was to practice patience and consistency. I cannot stress this enough. There is no way to maneuver this, okay? You must practice patience and consistency. It took me about 6 months to heal my damaged skin barrier, because it was a severe damage, although it was just on one part of my face, but it was really severe. When I tell you this was the hardest, toughest thing I had to deal with when it comes to skin conditions, it really was. So it's going to take you a lot of time, patience, consistency in your skincare routine. A whole lot of people try to escape this, but there's no way to go about it. You must be patient and you must be consistent. That's the only way. This is the time to shower your skin with a lot of love. Instead of hating your skin, shower your skin with a lot of love. Pay a lot of attention to your skin, because this is the only skin you have, okay? It's the only skin you have, it's the only skin you've had, and it's the only skin you will have that will carry you on to whenever it is, okay? Pay attention to how your skin reacts to different products that you use. Know when to quit a product, okay? Know when your skin loves a product. Your skin will tell you. Whenever you use something that is not good for your skin, it will tell you. So pay attention to that so you don't cause harm to your skin. And also bear in mind that you may be left with some dark spots, some hyperpigmentation. That will also take time to heal. Just do the right thing, use the right products, and shower your skin with a lot of love, and your skin barrier would eventually heal and become better. You also don't want to forget to wear your sunscreen daily. Even if you're in the house, wear your sunscreen. Sun exposure causes skin damage even when you're not dealing with a damaged skin barrier. So imagine when the first layer of your skin is compromised and the inside of your skin is just vulnerable. So at this time, your skin is very, very sensitive, and even at its most vulnerable state. So the biggest enemy to a damaged skin barrier is sun exposure. So make sure that you are up with your sunscreen application and reapplication game. This is how I was able to repair my damaged skin barrier, and this is how you can repair your damaged skin barrier. It's very, very simple. It's not rocket science. Just follow these steps, keep it simple, and you will notice a huge improvement. Like I said, it will take a lot of time, but you just have to do it because there's no other way. If you rush it, it will cause more damage. So I hope this was really informative and this helps you out so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Also, don't forget to give me a like if this helped you out. You can also share this video to help someone struggling with a damaged skin barrier. Drop me a comment if you have any further questions on healing or repairing your damaged skin barrier. I will definitely make more videos on skin barrier if you have more questions. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye.